Now we're going to cover some math. And this is where some spin their heads because they equate money with confusing math. Let's simplify things and create some valuable life lessons in finance. Write this down or hit pause because the basics are the rule of 72, which we covered in part A, and we include these: average return, weighted return, and median return. Average return and mean return are the same. They're often confused with median. So let's go through a simple math exercise to show how they work and differ from each other in practical investing terms. To explain average, median, and weighted return, let's turn it over to my partner, Adam Myers, in the studio.
Thanks, Ian. Let me show you how to calculate average, median, and weighted returns and why they're so important to investors. Here we have a hypothetical stock portfolio. There are 9 stocks, each allocated at $5,000 for a total portfolio value of $45,000. Each of these stocks represents 11.11% of the entire portfolio. These fictitious returns, when added together, show 174% gain. Now, if I divide this number by 9, we get an average of 19%. These percentages are sorted from largest to smallest. The middle set out of 9 is the median, which can sometimes be used to determine an approximate average. Now, if we change the value of each stock position but still maintain that $45,000 portfolio value, we can see how the weighting changes. Weighted average determines the relative importance of each stock position. Weighting is probably the number that affects portfolios the most when making allocation decisions. Consider this. If one stock made up 75% of your life savings, how safe would you feel retiring with all your money weighted to this holding? This is why portfolios rebalance. Investors reduce risk based on an individual position's respective weight within a portfolio. When you hear the market is up or the market is down, the media is often referring to the S&P 500 index. But this index of 500 US publicly traded companies is not evenly balanced. The top 5 holdings, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google, comprise 21.65% of the index. The other 495 companies make up the remaining 78.35%. Knowing how exchange-traded funds are weighted is important for making informed investments. I hope this helps our viewers better understand average, median, and weighted returns. Back to you, Ian.
Thanks, Adam. Great job explaining average, median, and weighted returns. Returns are what drive humans to being better. We want to improve over time. If you found this video a benefit to your life, I greatly appreciate you sharing with as many people as possible. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There are 10 videos in this course, Basics to Investing, so watch the others and enjoy while you learn.